Hello everyone, thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel guys. Welcome to Python. So freshers can open this and they can check for the companies. Okay. So enter skills Python. So Python software developer. Select experience. Fresher or less than 1 year. Select the location Hyderabad. Search it. So just our goal for today is to what interviews are asking for Python. What are the skills should acquire? Okay, so this is the one. Software developer Python, fresher Python. Okay. So build and maintain backend systems with Python, develop APIs and integrate services with our apps, collaborate with front-end work HTML, CSS, JS, design and implement AI, machine learning models and smart features, troubleshoot and enhance features. So here also we shall go like we are seeking a Python developer fresher 2024 onwards up to 1 year experience with a strong passion for building reliable, scalable solutions in this role. You will you will contribute to the development of backend services, APIs, web applications, AI agents, and machine learning models. So this is the one what we will do once they give the job. What we have to do? We have to build and maintain backend systems with Python. We have to develop APIs and integrate services for our apps. Collaborate on front-end work, HTML, CSS, JS. Design and implement AI models, smart features. Troubleshoot, optimize, and enhance existing features. This is the one. And here, what 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 we're looking for: strong Python skills, solid understanding of web development and APIs, experience with Flask, Fast API, Git, SQL or NoSQL, hands-on experience with AI or machine learning concepts, collaborative mindset with the drive to deliver results. Nice to have. So nice to have means like this is not that much mandatory. Experience with huge Hugging Face, Onslaught or similar tools working with fine-tuning large language modules. Exposure to LLM fine-tuning optimization techniques, LORA, QLORA. Quantif- Quantization, interface, performance tuning. Experience building on integrating AI agents and deploying LLM-powered features into production systems. So please mention in your CV details of any project underdone on the college code you have developed during the college or leaving the after the college based on the above requirement skill. Any interview conducted for shortlisted candidates will be involved in live coding exercise on a computer or laptop along with review of any code written during the project or work after college or after. You will work with on USA work on live USA based projects. So only serious candidate needs to apply. So here also they are telling serious candidate. What is meant by serious candidate? UG, BTech, BE, Bachelor of Technology Engineering in Electronics Communication, CSC, Triple E, Computer Science Engineering and Business System, Data Science, Information Technology, Cyber Security and Electronics and Computer Engineering, Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, Electrical. Okay, these are all the things they are. Okay, so for this, what they are asking? Okay, so backend built backend APIs. ML, here it is. Okay, machine learning getting started. Machine learning is making the computer learn from studying data and statistics. Machine learning is a step into direction of artificial intelligence. Machine learning is a program that analyzes data, learns to predict the outcome. this is machine learning. Okay. Mm. So we are here. W3 schools machine learning. If anybody is interested, have a visit. I'm sharing it in the comments. Okay. So machine learning is making the computer learn from studying data and statistics. So we are making the computer to learn from studying data and statistics. Machine learning is a step into the direction of artificial intelligence. AI is nothing but machine learning. Machine learning is a program that analyzes data and learn to predict the outcome. So where to start? In this tutorial, we'll go back to the mathematics and study statistics and how to calculate important numbers based on data sets. We'll also learn how to use various Python modules to get answers we need. And we will learn how to make functions that are able to predict the outcome based on what we have learned. So data set. Data set is a collection of data. Okay, here some array is there. 90, 99, 86. This is the one. Okay, 99, 86 is the speed. 111 is the speed. 111 is for food. 85, 86. Example of database. So this is the database. Car name, color, age, speed, autopass, car name. Okay. So this is the table. So by looking the array, can we guess that the average value is probably around 80 or 90? We are also able to determine highest value and but what else can we do? Highest or lowest value? Along with that, what? Anybody looking at the database, we can see that the most popular color is white. The oldest car is 17 years. But what if we could predict if a car has autopass just looking at the other values? This is what machine learning is for, analyzing the data prediction, the predicting the outcome. Okay. So there are data types. Okay. To analyze data, it is important to know that what data type we are dealing with. We can split data types into three main categories. One it is numerical, categorical, and ordinal. Numerical data are numbers and can be split into two numerical categories: discrete data, counted data that are limited to integers. Example: the number of cars passing by. Continuous data, measured continuous data, measured data that can be any number. For example, the price of an item, the size of an item. Categorical data that can be measured against each other. Suppose like categories. This variant, suppose like color, red color category, how many cars sales, like that. Yes or no values. Ordinal data are like categorical data, but can be measured up against each other. Example: school grades, where A is better than the B, so on. Categorical data, color value or any yes or no values. By knowing the data type of your data source, you will be able to know what technique you use to analyze them. You will learn more about statistics and analysis in the next chapters. Okay. The the takeaway from this is data types. There are three main categories. One is numerical, one is categorical, one is ordinal. Numerical, that are numbers. Categorical, that are values cannot be measured up against each other. Can be measured up against each other. Okay. So red color versus green color, that also. Ordinal are like data measured against each, example like grades. So we are going to the next topic. Next topic is machine learning, mean, median, and mode. Okay. So in the statistics, we know these terms. What is mean? What is median? And what is mode? What can we learn from looking above the group of numbers? In machine learning and in mathematics, there are often three values that are interest for us: mean, median, and mode. Mean means the average value. The median is the midpoint. Mode is the common value, most common value. Example: we have registered the speed of 10 cars. Speed. The average of the middle of the common speed value, that is the mean. Mean is 89%. 89. So this is the main numpy dot main. Okay. So run examples. So this is the one. Okay. Copy this one. Okay. So we have one array, that is speed. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to find main. Okay. So for that, what they are using? They are using this import numpy module. Okay. So this module is not yet imported. We'll import it. Okay. This is the command pip install numpy. Okay. So it is 12.4 MB it is there. Let us wait for the installation. So this package we are getting installed. Okay, it got installed. So what we are doing next? We are finding the mean value. NumPy.mean. Okay. Mean is expecting some array. Okay. Here it is there. So we are passing speed. Okay. So let us assign for a variable. Okay. X equals to. Come here, print the value. Print of X. That's it. So we have to run this one. Python machine learning main.py. Some spelling mistake was there. I'm typing again. Python.py. CD22. Okay. The path was different. So I went into this one 22 and here it is there. Glass lo undi. Yellow color glass. Okay, like this we have to find the mean. Okay. So mean is the average value. Okay. Mean is the average value. To calculate the mean, find the sum of the values and divide them by the number of values. Okay. This is the one. So here what they are doing, all plus they are doing and divided by 3. That is what mean does. So with the help of one method, main function, we are getting the value. Okay. So what is standard deviation? Let us shift to the standard deviation. So the median value is the value after you have sorted the all the values. 87. So what did we get? Answer 89 we got. Okay. The median. We are going to the next one, next value. Okay. The median value in the middle after you have sorted all the values. Okay. What is the median? Okay. So same we are taking. Okay. And median value equals to numpy dot median. What we have to pass? Speed we have to pass. Okay. Print. Median value we are printing. Let us run, guys. 87 it is there. Okay. Okay. Speed dot sort. Okay, so here we'll write new array. So none we got. Okay, so let us ignore this one. Why should we do this much complicated? So median value is this one, 87. It is the median value. If there are two numbers in the middle, divide the sum of those two numbers by 2. That is 86.2. Mode. The mode is the value that appears the most number of times. Mode value equals to numpy dot mode So for mode we have to install SkyPy. SCIPY. It is getting installed, guys. Let us wait for installation. So everything is a package. Install it, use it. That's it. Python. Our work is to utilize that package. The methods inside that module. So we have installed this one. Okay. What is SciPy? Introduction. What is a SciPy? SciPy is a some scientific computation library that uses NumPy underneath. SciPy stands for Scientific Python. It provides more utility functions for optimizing statistics and signal processing. Like NumPy, SciPy is also open source. We can use it freely. SciPy was created by NumPy's creator Travis Oliphant. Why use SciPy? SciPy uses NumPy underneath. Why can we not use NumPy? SciPy has optimized and added functions that are frequently used in NumPy and data science. Which language is written in SciPy? SciPy is predominantly written in Python, but few segments are written in C language. So this is the link. We can go for this link. Okay. Here you will find the GitHub solution. See the module. Okay. Here it is there. Okay, guys. So come here. We have to use this one. From SciPy, use import stats dot mode pass speed. Okay. So print mode value. '86 we have got. Okay guys, today we have completed these three: made, main, median, mode. Main, median, mode. Okay. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.